Hello, this is Lily Morningstar, your instructor of College of Southern Nevada, class CAT-173, Linux Red Hat, and today we're working on Chapter 14, Guided Exercises, Guided Exercise 3, Enabling YAML Software Repositories. I'm already in the student workstation, and I'm starting this guided exercise. Lab Software Repo Start. Then we SSH to the student server A. Step 2, we're becoming super user. And password is Red Hat. And now we have configure software repositories on server A up to obtain custom packages and updates from the following URL. I have to apologize in advance. So since copy paste doesn't work here well, and I have dyslexia, I might will make a lot of typos and errors when I'm entering this URL. So hopefully it will work, and if you will be struggling like me, don't feel bad about yourself. HTTP content example.com RHEL 8.0 x86 underscore 64 Red Hat CSA practice RHT and double quotation mark. Keep my fingers crossed. Adding a repo from blah blah blah. Okay. I have to admit, this is not the first time I'm doing this lab, so hopefully this time it will go smooth. Unfortunately, this is one of those labs that I've been struggling in the past, and I always feel compassionate to students with any learning disabilities because it's not easy. .com RHEL 8.0 underscore. Okay, next time I'm just gonna press up instead. 64 Red Hat CSA dash practice underscore RHD that repo. Okay, what do I see here? Win a whim, but I don't see any content. So could it be the problem that I mistyped something? Possibly. Okay, we're gonna. So, what I'm going to do right now, just so we don't have this HTTP anymore. What we have, obviously Vim to start Vim, and then we have etc yum, because we just ran this command, repos vim. Okay, keep my fingers crossed again. No, we're just starting this empty document. So one out of two problems in this specific lab. Either the first command when we reached out to the repository didn't give any output, so that's why we cannot see any information here. Oh, I mistyped something. Okay, let's think. Because basically without this we will not be able to move forward. And what we can try to find, we can, instead of Vim, we can cat and see if there, I mean, I'm just trying to compare like side by side. Okay, I see few errors that I might have to correct, like between 64 between 0 and 8, because I used the, so there should be no forward slashes, they're underscores. Here we go, we got this. As I said, I've been having with the same lab problems all the time, and it's not the lab problem, it's me. joking that problem exists between keyboard and chair, right? Okay, so we adding a line. GPG check equals 0. And now we can save it. Escape. Right quit. Excellent. So, whew. Okay, create the etc yum repos.d, route the repo file to enable the updates repository from the following content. Okay, so we can use Vim again to create. And just entering content. Okay. Vim. etc yum repos d. We need to request more time. Errata repo. And now EI for insert. Oops. RHT updates. Name equals RHT updates. Base URL. Oh no, I have to type it all over again. Oh well. HTTP content example RHEL 8. That's definitely not 8. Dot 0 x86 underscore 64 RHCSA practice errata enabled equals 1 GPG check equals 0. And now we need to save this. Right quit. Okay. Yum repo list all. That's the next command that we will use to list all repositories. Repo list all. Okay. So as you can see, one upstream RPM enabled, everything is enabled. Awesome. Now we use yum config manager disable to disable RHT updates repository. yum. Yum config, it's one command. Config disable RHT updates. And now we yum list RHT system. Yum list RHT system. Okay. And next, yum install RHT system. So we had list. And it's asking us if it's yes or no, so we click yes. And next, after we finish, we will use yum list RHT system again to verify it's been installed. So we do have this. So next we will use yum config manager. And we enable RHT updates. Yum update y. And we're going to list again. So we have updated version. Okay, we're done with this. We're exiting root, exiting server A, and finishing this guided exercise. Thank you for watching and see you in the next guided exercise.